How to increase your breast size in 1 week. When it comes to sex appeal, women with bigger breasts tend to have the advantage. According to scientists, the opposite sex is biologically programmed to be attracted to women with full breasts because it implies fertility and sexual maturity. Unfortunately, genetics usually determine breast size. If your grandmother or mother is rocking a cup C or higher, chances are good that you are too. But if Mother Nature did not bless you with generous curves, don't despair. With this guide on how to increase your breast size in 1 week, your bust will be a cup or two larger in no time. 1. Load your diet with phytoestrogen-rich food. Phytoestrogen is plant-based, and just like animal-based estrogen, it stimulates the growth of breast tissue. Some of the best food sources are soy milk and soy-based products, sesame seeds, flaxseed, and whole grains. Of course, this is not advised for women with a family or medical history of chronic conditions that increased estrogen levels may aggravate. For example, ovarian cysts, cervical cancer, and other issues with the reproductive organs. 2. Develop your pectoral muscles. They sit directly beneath the breasts and make the chest area look bigger and more lifted when well-toned. Targeted exercises include chest presses, push-ups, butterfly lifts, and overhead lifts. Our favorite move is the incline dumbbell chest press. To do this, lie flat on an inclined bench so that your torso is fully supported with your feet flat on the floor. With a weight in each hand, position your arms at a 90-degree angle to your body. Bend your elbows so the weights are just an inch or two away from your chest. Then bring the weights to the sides of the upper chest until you feel your pectoral muscles contract. Bring the weights back to the center. This makes 1 rep. Repeat 14 times and complete 3 total sets of 15. 3. Take herbal supplements. Certain herbs like fennel, blessed thistle, and fenugreek are known stimulants of breast tissue growth. They help increase breast size by stimulating the body's production of estrogen. These herbs can interact with some medications, however, so if you are taking any kind of prescription drugs, consult your doctor first. Again, this tip does not suit women who may react adversely to increased estrogen levels. These tips show you how to increase breast size in 1 week.